Turning your engine 1K19. Turning good. The front engines look nice, as you can see. Didn't see any damage yet. Altimeter in good conditions. Compressor looks good. And on this side, everything nice, as you can see. Turbo, no broken. Look as well on the gearbox. Looking good. And on this side, everything nice, as you can see. Starter, no damaged. And on the top, plastic cover looking good. All connectors and injectors look nice. We don't see any damage. And on the bottom, no cracks, no leaks. And turning your engine 1K19.